Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we will make how to make Tipi-Tipi-Top. First, fold paper like a triangle. And then take a scissors and cut the waste paper. Then open the paper and fold again like a triangle. And then fold like a square. Fold like a rectangle. And fold like rectangle like this. And then open the paper. And here's the dot and join the triangle to the dot. And this also like this. And all this like this. All this then do like this. One minute. Then do like this. And like this. Here's the dot and triangle be like this. And make a kite like this. Then fold paper. Fold paper like this. Fold paper like and rectangle like this. And then get some brush pens and color it like this. And now open this and write 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And write something in what you wish. Like jumping jacks, like jumping jacks 100 times, clapping hands 10 times, anything you like. Ta-da! Now the Tipi-Tipi-Top is ready. You can play like this. First your fingers like this, then your thumb is on the and ta-da! Tipi-Tipi-Top. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe for this video. Thank you. Bye.